Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to send money to bank account from Wise. To send money to a bank account from Wise, navigate to the home page on the bottom menu, then click on Send right below your balance. Next, click on Add Recipient, select the currency, in my case it's Euro, then click on Enter bank details. Here you will choose either it's yourself, someone else or a business or organization. Let's say it's someone else. Here you will need to enter the account details. You can skip the email part if you would like to, and then you want to choose whether the account is inside of Europe or outside of Europe. Let's say it's inside of Europe. You have to write the name, write the IBAN number, and then click on confirm. It will ask you how much money you are sending. Enter the amount and then click on continue. On the next step, it's going to ask you to review the details. What you can also do this is you can change the payment method by clicking on this change next to your accounts, and you can choose to pay with a debit card, credit card or simple bank transfer. A bank transfer ideal so for Trustly and Apple Pay. So you have many different options on how you can send money through Wise. After that, what you have to do is you have to simply click on this confirm and send, and you are good to go. So that's how to send money to bank account from Wise. I hope this video was helpful. If it is, like it and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.